All right. Okay. So welcome. Recently, I was introduced to this particular system. It's called the one-page funnel system, right? Look at that. It's called the one-page funnel system 3.0. Now, why am I talking about this system really? Because the system itself, from what it only costs $7 to join the system, right? So it's a one-time $7 system that everybody can really afford. Okay, now, and if you look below what was written there, it's 100% done for you system. Okay, now a lot of people have been trying to make some money online, and one of the biggest drawback I see for them is the cost, right? The cost of making money online is getting higher and higher and higher. And that has been challenging for some people, right? They want to make money, but the cost is so much. And then the process, you have to learn how to market here, market there. You have to, learn how to convince the customer to buy. All this process have discouraged a lot of people from trying to even get involved with it, right? So when I see a program like the one-page funnel system that only costs $7 and they will do all the work for you, that got me curious, right? And that was how I joined the system. And that's how I started making sales in the system, okay? Because everything is done for you. It's literally, I'm going to try and explain a little bit of how everything is just done for you with this system, okay? Now, just imagine a system as simple as this, okay? Look at that. One-page funnel system where everything 100% done for you. And for you to be a member, you only pay $7. One time, just $7. You don't pay more than seven. It's shocking, right? I didn't even believe it until I joined the system, okay? Now, let me take you to the Facebook group. Now, this is the Facebook group, and you can see over 2,000 people have already joined the system. And look at this. Let's check one or two people. All right, let's look at this guy. His name is Michael. He just joined the one-page funnel for just $7. And look at already, he has already gotten 2 customer sales, right? And he has made $50 already. Imagine something that cost him just $7 and he has already made $50 in a day. Well, I'm not saying you are going to make the same money because I didn't make my own money in a day. So, so let me be frank with you because when you are showing things like this, some people just assume, wow, because the other man made $50 in a day, so I'm going to make $50 in a day. It's not that way, right? I don't want to say he's lucky, but is a kind of way, is a probability kind of thing, right? The way it works. Some people suddenly make the money the first day. Other people, it may take them some few days, then they start making money. Like that's what happened to me, right? So everybody is not the same. But so I just want you not to believe that. I just want you to know what is possible, but also know that it doesn't mean that it's going to happen that way, right? Now, he joined the system. It only cost him $7, but look at that. He has already, within 4 hours, he has already made $50. So luckily for him, I'm saying it again, that is not the standard, but it can happen. Now, let's look at some other people here. Look at Carlos. Carlos joined yesterday. And look at how much he has already made. Can you imagine that? $47, $7, $97, $47. And you can even see the dates, right? So that it's not like he's making it up. You can see the dates that he made all this money. And the program is just $7. So you can imagine that. I'm going to explain how the program works. I just wanted to see some things, right? Now, let's quickly run down and check out. This is Christy. Christy, she says she loved this system, right? Of course, who will not love a system that costs only $7 and makes you thousands of dollars, right? I love it too, right? And look at how she's making all these commissions, right? You can see that. Look at the way she's just rolling out commissions, $47, $7, $7, $97. That's a lot of, that's awesome. Now, let's just check one or two people, then I try and explain how this system works, right? A lot of people are joining in every day because it's just $7, right? Look at Ratnaka. Ratnaka right now is doing extremely well with this system. He has already made over $1,000 with a $7 program, guys. This is powerful. It's like magic, right? Let's see. Who else? Now, look at Ashton. Now, I want you to compare the difference, right? Ashton just started, right? And Ashton has made his first sale. But if you check Ashton, he just made $5 in commission, while the other guy made $50. So you can see that not everybody make the same kind of commissions, right? But he made a commission, right? And he's going to make more. Let's see some other people. Let's just quick. Okay, look at Sanyem. Sanyem made $134 in commission. For a $7 program, I think that's a good profit. And that's just the beginning. It's not like he's not going to make more, right? Let's see. Let's check one more person and then we let go of that. Oh my God. Okay, this is, who is this? This is Robot, right? Look at Robot. Robot already made how much? $71. It's powerful, right? Within 24 hours. It's not my word. You can hear what he said by himself. Within 24 hours of setting up this $7 system, he has already made $71. Let's see another person. Look at Marius. Marius said in 5 days, he has already made $739, right? Now, a lot of questions is going to come. What is this one-page funnel system? Now, I'm going to just explain something because I don't want to go on showing a lot of proof because TikTok doesn't like that. So I'm not going to continue doing that. I'm just going to explain a bit, then I'm going to add the video to my profile, right? But if you want to learn a little bit more about the one-page funnel system, it costs only $7 to be a member, just $7. So it's so affordable, anybody in the world can afford it. So just go to my profile, double-click on my profile. There's a link there that gives you access to the system, and once you pay your $7, you now have access. But let me explain the system to those that wants to understand how it works. So the way the one-page funnel system works is called a done-for-you CPA marketing system, okay? Now, what is CPA? Because that is the only way you get it when you understand what is CPA marketing, right? CPA is called cost per action. That's the meaning of CPA. Now, cost per action, that means that companies are going to pay you commissions when any visitor you bring to them takes an action, right? Now, some of those actions could be just filling up a form. Some of those actions could be buying their product, which is one of the most important things. Now, you don't have to buy anything, right? So that's powerful. So once you join the one-page funnel system, it only costs you $7 to be a member. You are going to get a link, and then all you do is to promote your link on social media, maybe on Facebook, maybe on YouTube, maybe on TikTok. Just promote your link and then drive as much visitors to your link. Now, the way the one-page funnel system is done, it's a CPA marketing system. So it's linked to your link. So when you drive in customers or visitors or whatever, all those customers are going to see the CPA product. Now, those of you who know CPA, you understand what I'm saying, but sometimes I'm talking to people that don't do much online. They don't know what is CPA marketing. But those that know CPA marketing, you already understand where I'm going with this. So it's so easy for you. But I'm going to do my little best to explain it, because some people used to think, is it magic? How can you join a program for $7 and you could make thousands of dollars? It's not magic, right? It's by CPA marketing. Now, so the way this one-page funnel system works, you don't have to even promote any of the products. You don't even have to do anything except sharing your link, right? The system is literally 100% done for you. So when you share your link, the system takes over and start following up with those visitors that you send to your link, and then they start promoting multiple products from the CPA platform to those customers, right? And if they buy any of the products, you will be paid commission. So that's how it works. That's why you see so many of those people making all those good money, because they don't have to do any selling, telling. They don't have to do anything, literally. You don't really do anything except sharing your link. And the way the system works, if you don't even know how to share your link, you can easily make an arrangement with the one-page funnel system admin, and they will share your link for you based on the arrangement you and them make. I'm not going to be interested in that. That's between you and them, right? And they will share your link for you. So that means that the system can run for you 100% of the time. So if you want to check out the one-page funnel system before I'm done, because I'm not going to stay out long, just go to my profile, double click on my profile, and there's a link there that you can get started. Now, let me show you just some people that try using this system and the kind of weird money they made, right? Now, let's look at that. So I'm going to flip the camera. So I've shown you Marius. Marius has already made $739. But let me show you some other people. Let's come here. This lady is Jenna, and look at how much Jenna made. $2,844 already, and you can see it's a $7 program, right? But she made over $2,844. Let's see another person. This is Rebecca, and look at how much Rebecca made with this program. $1,000. Imagine that. Let's see if we find another person before I'm done. This is Jeremy. Jeremy made $1,166 with the one-page funnel system. Let's look for another person. This is Hansi. Hansi made $1,323. And look at the funny thing. He got one sale for $1,200 commission. One sale. This does not happen a lot, but some people are just lucky, right? Only one sale, and he made $1,200. High ticket commission, right? That means one of the visitors joined, and then they made that. Now look at Mitch. Mitch made $3,000, right? So now this is simple, really. It's a very simple system, okay? Now, I'm not saying you are going to make $1,000 or whatever, but it's so easy that I think everybody who can should be. So if you're interested, just go to my profile, right? Double click on my profile. There's a link there. And then once you get in, you pay your $7 and you become a member. It's just $7, right? So you pay your $7, you become a member of the one-page funnel. To join, go to my profile. There's a link there that you can click and then you can join. You get me? It's going to take you through some process. It's going to show you videos, explain the program, and then it will ask you to pay $7. It's just $7 one-time payment, no monthly fees, nothing. And then once you are in, you get your own link, and then you can share your link. Now, as you share your link, you are bringing visitors to the system, and then the system takes over and start promoting multiple products. Now, the system prefer to promote high-ticket products, which makes sense, right? Now, a lot of people ask another question. If they do everything for you, so how does the company make money? Now, it's simple. You actually make 70% commission. So the company gets 30% of the commission, right? So if they sell a product for you, okay, maybe the product is gives a commission of $100. They keep $30, you keep $70, and they are going to keep promoting those products to your lead for years to come. So you can wake up tomorrow, you made a sale, or then maybe in the next 6 months, you make a sale, because they will keep promoting to your lead, right? So your only job is to share your link. That is all. So, and like I said, even if you don't know how to share your link, you can always contact the support in the admin, and they will, based on some arrangement between you and them, they will promote your link for you so that you don't even have to do anything, right? You just wait and hope to get your commissions, right? Like I said, there is no guarantee in anything, but when you see the kind of success that is being made, I have gotten sales and I've seen a lot of people making sales. So I believe that this is good for beginners or even experienced marketers that want to add a done-for-you system to their portfolio. When we say done for you, we mean done for you, right? Because it's completely done for you. You don't even have to buy anything, nothing. You don't have to buy anything, and you could still make some good amount of money, all right? So if you have questions more about the system, you can just connect with me in my profile. If you want the link, go to my profile. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.